Rail transport began in 19th century in the region known as Nigeria by the British government from Lagos to Ibadan, the largest city in the country's southwest, and subsequently, with additional funding, the rail system was extended to the northern part of the country before the enactment of Nigerian Railway Corporation. However, the rail network began to diminish in the 80s and 90s, with almost nothing to boast of at the beginning of the millennium, due to years of neglect, poor maintenance of rail tracks and other locomotive assets. With the emergence of the present administration under the leadership of President Muhammadu Buhari, tremendous emphasis on revamping the Nigerian Railway Corporation is on top gear, starting with the construction of standard gauge rail line along Lagos-Ibadan corridor, the nerve center of the country's economy, as well as Lagos-Kano, Abuja-Kaduna axis, to mention a few. The major engineering consortium behind these projects is the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation.
The track that we're building now is connecting major cities. The Lagos-Ibadan standard gauge connects Abeokuta and some other places in between, and then finally Ibadan. It will be very convenient for you to live in Abeokuta or Ibadan and work in Lagos. Each trip we do right now is fully booked. In fact, if you don't get to the station, say 2-3 hours before that time, you will miss the train.
It is expected that with the reconstruction and expansion of Nigeria's rail system, these will ease the overdependence on our roads, especially traffic congestion from the seaports. Also, the rail will serve as good avenue for passenger travel, as some Nigerians share their experience on the revamped rail projects.
Today, they have to screen so many people because we are even more than the number train can carry. So you can say that the awareness is getting more and people love it. Like I still see some people that they have gone once or twice. So they still came, they like it. When I entered there also, I love it. I love the experience. Full AC and very, very spacious.
Very welcome development, and I guess it's going to improve so many areas, especially the real estate. One can actually have a landed property in Ibadan and feel very, very cool about it now, because you can actually live in Ibadan now and work in Lagos and come back to Ibadan every day.